twirl, twirl, twirl. Spin, spin, roll over. Rewind. Very good. Say Max, attention. You're already advanced. There you go. Center. Ooh, alligator. Spin, 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 twirl, twirl, twirl. Center. Ooh, weave. Spin, 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 spin. Roll over. Spin, twirl, 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 twirl. Spin, roll over. Okay, go around. Up. Yes. Twirl. Spin. 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 Right. Drop. 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 Spin. Oh, spin. Now it's me. Spin. Right. Drop. Right. Drop. Right. Drop. Twirl. 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 Right. Drop. Down. Right. Drop. Down. Right. Drop. Down. Right. Drop. 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 Drop. Thank you. Right. Oh, very strong. Do. How do I get back the frisbee? Yes. Drop. Drop. Took a while. Turn. Down. Around. Yes. Around. No, that's not a full. Around. No. Back. Around. No, that's a shortcut down. No? Here. Off. Around. No. Go to full around. Around. Yes, up. Yes. Now off. Spin. Roll over. Spin. Twirl. Twirl. Spin. There's a spring spaniel in there. Okay, that's over. There you go. Twirl. Roll over. Spin. Roll over. Yes. Very good. Yes. Ready? Okay, you sit. Down. Lay. Go around. Very good. Drop. No. It's late. Drop. Just drop. Stay. Very good. Good. Stay. Drop. I didn't say bye. Down. Okay, up. Down. Down. Back. Back. Down. Yes. Down. Back. 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 Down. Go. Yes. Back. 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 Down. Go. Very good. Very good. Yes. Very good. Well done. Ready? Okay, sit first. Sit. Now attention. Stay. Stay. Then walk away. Go around. Max is good at holding. Very good. Very good hold. Sometimes you can also make your dog go down. Just wait for you. Drop. Drop. Wait. Then we walk away. And you practice your recall. And then sometimes, when it's busy, we also do this. We just let him sit there to focus. Walk away, walk away. Walking away, and you can also practice walking away without looking. Of course, you kind of look back after a few seconds or so just to check that they're still there, they haven't wandered off. Okay, I'm close to the end of the field now. I'm gonna call Max. Max! Very good! And then you reward them when they come. Touch, well done. Yes. Very good. Well done. Very good. Center. Back, 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 right. Do some beatings. Good right, Max. Good right.